Welcome to biology class. Yes, with me there is a question on the chalkboard, which is actually coming from paper 2. Okay, so these are paper 2 types of questions. Yes, so let us go through the question and see how we can answer this question, which is under cell structure, diffusion, and osmosis. So this is how we'll be moving and covering the syllabus through examination questions step by step. Okay, so question 1, diagram below shows a plant cell. Okay, so this is a plant cell that we have here. We have the cell wall, this one. Then part A, we have chlorophyll, chloroplast, which is this dotted that you are seeing. Then this side we have structure B also. Then one bullet A, identify and state the functions of the structure labeled A and B for marks. B, list two differences between plant cell shown, which is this one, and an animal cell, 2 marks. Okay, so let us go direct to solution. A, we are going to identify the structures that are labeled A and B. So structure A, this is the vacuole. Okay, so this structure is called the vacuole. Okay, and structure B is called nucleus. So now when we come now to the functions of these two structures in the plant cell, the function of vacuole actually is to control, okay, the vacuole there. Inside the vacuole there is a cell sap. Okay, so this cell sap, which is contained in the vacuole, is actually there to control the movement of materials in and out of the cell. So that is the main function of this structure, which is the vacuole. Then we come to B. B, this is actually the nucleus. And the main function of nucleus is to control the activities, all activities of the cell, of the plant cell, and also to store the genetic information of the plant cell. Okay, so as I explained, let me write so that you can see clearly and understand. So I was saying, labeled structure A. Structure A is vacuole. Okay, spelling for vacuole is this one, vacuole. That is structure A. Then structure B, first of all, let me come to the function. Since they are saying identify and state the function. So the function of vacuole is, its function is to control the movement of the materials in and out of the cell. Okay, so that is the main function of vacuole. And remember, as I said in first place, I did mention that within the same structure, which is vacuole, there is a substance which is contained there, cell sap. Okay, so it is that same cell sap that controls the movement of substance, all substances, including water. Okay, it is there to control it. The way water get into the cell and out of the cell. Okay, so let us go to the next one, which is B. Structure B. Structure B is nucleus. Okay, so its function is to control all activities of the cell, and also to store genetic information. Okay, so that is the function of nucleus. Okay, so that means we have answered those two questions and we have scored 4 marks, which is there. Okay, so now we go to the last part of the question, which is B. List 2 differences between plant cell shown and an animal cell. So the difference is that plant cell has cell wall, while animal cell has no cell wall. That is the difference number 1. Okay, so the plant cell has got the cell wall, which is this one. And the main function of the cell wall, actually, it gives the shape of the cell. And again, it also protects the contents of the cell. Then 2, plant cell has vacuole, while animal cell has no vacuole. Okay, so these two are the main differences of plant cell and an animal cell. And I'm sure I've done with the question that we had for today. And I'm encouraging you actually to follow me step by step. Otherwise, you are going to learn a lot of skills and knowledge on how to go about examination questions in biology. Thank you.